Welcome to MarineMax. Today we're going through a brand new boat. This is a 2024 Aviara 36 Outboard. So just a profile shot. I know you saw the pictures online, but you have this gray insert, black hull side, gray bottom, matching gray hard top, really sharp looking design here from Aviara. Pair that with the gray interior. The interior is actually what they call ultra vinyl cool feel to the touch. So you put this in, 100 degrees, sunny day, and it's always going to be cool feel to the touch. If you're ever at a boat show down in Florida, I challenge you, if you see one of these, go down. If you don't believe me, put your hand on it and imagine you were sitting on it like in the sun, and it's not going to be that immediately hot feeling. So love that from our Aviara. Love these motors here. These are Mercury's new 400 V10 engines. So these are going to be a new model. These are not the L6 version. These are V10s, very quiet. You have a pop top, so come on over here, Tom. Check your oil right from here. This little knob, pop that right open. Handle for your technicians. Owner checking oil, has a little guide plate right on there, so very innovative, makes boating much easier. Let's talk about the aft part here. So this is kind of a transformer setup. So most of the time it might be like this, laying out, a couple of people, kids, friends, and then if you want some backrest, got some kids in the water, you want to take a look at them, you can put them all up like that. Cup holders here. This is a shade, a make fast shade that'll come out and attach here. So that will be your kind of anchoring out day setup. And then in addition, we have these seats here, which all pop up, and the other two will do the same thing. Think stadium seating. So you can sit right here, hang out, be above. You can have other friends and guests sit right here. Increases the amount of people that can be on the back of the boat. A lot of the social part is going to be here as well. So we all have fenders on our boats. We don't really know what to do with them. They take up a lot of space. Dedicated storage, 4 fenders here from Aviara. Great spot, back of the boat, coming in and out of here as well. So you see these little cutouts here? These are for your fender clips, which will go right here. So you tie your fenders to your fender clips, hang it right here. You don't have to put your fender lines over your dock lines over your fender lines. It gets all confusing. You don't want to have that when you're taking off for the day. So it's about the little things. I really love that. Just step on in here. This very, very large cockpit social seating area. Let's think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 8 people sitting comfortably underway, 3 or 4 more people in the bow. So you can take just about everybody out for the day, family, friends. Storage under these seats. And something really cool from Aviara is you see these elements right here. So these are heated seats. So here in the Chesapeake Bay, start of our season, end of our season, you can get a little chilly. You turn those on, it'll be a little bit more applicable during those colder days. Table mount right behind you, so you can have tables sitting out here during the day. Not only is this a lot of serving space, right here you got your cheese plate, got your wine set up, freshwater sink, and you have bottle storage down here. So put your wine bottle, champagne, right in there, keep them cool. And then this specific boat, got the single grill option with another basin. And then below, dual refrigeration. And a dedicated garbage can. We'll move on up here. We've got another garbage can, so easy access. You got some beer cans, Trulies, whatever. Pop them in right there. And then another dedicated trash can right there. This seat back flips forward and back. So while we're underway, this will be facing forward, and then this will be facing forward, and then if we're, docked or anchored, get another seat here. So a lot of functionality there. Come take a look at the helm. Double wide seats, seat bolsters here. So underway, depends if you're a stand-up kind of person or a sit-down. For me in this boat, this is kind of a good comfortable seat for me here. Got VHF, Simrad VHF here, joystick piloting with Skyhook, and there is your autopilot. Your throttles here. It's a new Mercury binnacle. This is your electronic start-stop. So let's turn these on. I want you to face toward the back and just listen here how quiet these are. So gone are the days of your big, smoky, two-stroke engines, and that's what you're going to hear all day. So very quiet. And just another single push. I'll turn that right off. Lenco auto trim tabs. Your Simrad engine gauges. So these will show trim tab display, both your engine RPMs, speed, and you can customize all this just with a touch of the finger. Going to your Simrad multifunction display. This is your chart, navigation, echo sounder, some other instruments, and you can customize all this with, say I want chart here, and then I want my transducer there. Save that, and that's my new display. So this is usually how I run. Chart over here, see the bottom over here, and then some other gauges and instruments. This is your dedicated Aviara screen. So control windlass, sunshade, engine compartment goes up and down, control your wipers, music, all controlled from here, more lights, can see your water tankage, and then some other miscellaneous. So I like this setup. Aviara here, navigation here, engines here, ergonomic position. Got a very nice wrap steering wheel here from Aviara, and then a little logo design feature as well. Cup holders abound in this boat. And then let's take a look at the cabin. So I'll just scooch in here. So bigger than the 32. You've got about a 32-inch TV here, microwave, storage in this compartment, and then behind me as well. I don't know if you can see that, Tom. But 3 storage compartments over here. This, where my legs are, a table goes in here, and then that filler cushion can fill on top. So if you really wanted to sleep down here, 2 adults would fit comfortably. And then if you don't, if you want to just hang out, you can put this one back and watch the game. It's a good setup for that. Separate head. Here, I'll just grab this from you. So separate head, pump out, storage, vanity there. Everything you need for the day. Give that back to you. And lastly, let's head up into the bow. It's got a large window here that'll come out, 2 securing points, and just pop that open. It lays over the top. You're going to have this closed while you're running, but obviously open, go in and out. Wind gate. So close this, close the wind gate, and a lot of your guests will stay cool. So big bow. I'm about 6'4". One of the things that I love is this hits me kind of mid-height. A lot of other boats, it might be down here. So safety feature, this boat can handle some big water. Keeping the kids in the boat secured, that's the number one thing. Safety is paramount when you have a couple kids on the boat. Storage. So cool box there, so you can put some ice, drinks. It is drained out. so you don't have to go all the way back to get a cool drink. Some just flat storage there, and then some access under this. And lastly, here in the bow, you have an anchor, a stainless steel anchor windlass, controls up at the helm, and then from this remote right here as well, freshwater wash down, so you can wash everything off when you come in from the day. So that's a quick walkthrough this 2024 Aviara 36 Outboard. If you have any more questions, just give us a call, 410-732-1260. Have a good one.